Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Dream Team selection for the upcoming Game Week 5. Let's go deeper into the video. Finally, Wolves are back in action, keeping their clean sheet what they deserved in their previous games also. Sa is undoubtedly a brilliant goalkeeper and Wolves has quite a good run of fixtures. Wolves didn't lose against Brentford in their last 4 meetings and kept clean sheet in their last 2 of those games. This is their home match and they are getting their confidence back. Sa total saved 13 times in their last 4 matches and we are hoping he won't face enough trouble to restore their clean sheet in his next match against Brentford. Manchester City conceded just 3 on-target shots and only 1 goal in this season, which is the lowest in the EPL. So Ederson is the safest pick for this game week as he had to make just 2 saves in this season and his opponent Southampton scored 3 goals so far with just 13 shots on target. If nothing accidental happens, Ederson is like to have a clean sheet this week. Wolves have created chances in their last 4 matches and didn't get the output they deserve. This is true that this man Nelson Semedo has the contribution behind this as we have seen the lack of confidence in him. But they played beautifully in the last match and also got the win. Semedo also got multiple choices to put his name on the score sheet. We hope they will play beautiful football again in the next home game against Brentford and they could count Semedo as a contributor in their attacking options. Apart from all the bad things, he managed 5 attempts for goal and got a CS the last game. So it's a matter of time to get some attacking return from him and we believe that the next game will be perfect for him to get some attacking return. Manchester City bounced back in the competition after losing their first match. They kept clean sheet in all the 3 consecutive matches and scored 11 goals. Cancelo is the successive player in all the games and he provided the assist for their only goals against Foxes. Cancelo created a tally of 7 chances in 4 matches, which is per 52 minutes. Southampton conceded a shot in their goal in every 20 minutes and they lost all the 2 matches in the last season against Citizens with conceding 6 goals. We know how deadly City can be at the Etihad and this man will create so many opportunities with his ability to attack and delivering pinpoint crosses. Trent Alexander-Arnold is showing his class perfectly this season as he already became the highest scoring defender in the last 4 matches. Having Trent into your team means you are playing with an extra midfielder who may contribute anytime. 8 bonus points and 2 assists in the last 3 matches, showing his supremacy in all reds shirt. 2.51 XA, 3 clean sheets in 4 games, 20 chances with 4 big chances would make it inevitable to include him on our dream team. Besides, Liverpool didn't lose against Palace in their last 8 matches and kept clean sheet in their last 4 games, which made it easier for us to put Trent into our dream team. We may just have a look at the second goal of the last match where Shaw made a deadly run in the midfield to make that assist. This man is getting his confidence back after the inclusion of Cristiano Ronaldo for sure. He bagged 16 points in his first 4 matches with a single assist and clean sheet. His next opponent are Hammers and they didn't lose against them in their last 4 games in all competitions. In this season, both teams scored double-digit goals in their opening 4 matches. Therefore, we are expecting a high-voltage match among them where an assist hunter like Luke Shaw will get so much space to contribute his team's goals. Nobody knows how unpredictable the Gunners will be this season. They started the season horribly and finally in the last match they won by the smallest margin. Despite the result, this man Tierney was brilliant. He has been dazzling in every match, created a chance in every 37 minutes and 5 goal attempts clearly show everything positive for him. They will face Burnley who didn't manage to win yet and conceded a shot on goal every 15 minutes. All the things eager for someone to include a wing-back like Tierney into the FPL team. Raphinha isn't having the kind of season we hoped for him. He scored just 1 and provided only 12 points in his first 4 appearances. In those 4 matches, they faced some tough opponents, but their fixtures will improve significantly for next 6 game weeks. His opponent, Newcastle, conceded 12 goals in their first 4 matches, which is the highest among all. 6 of them were at St James Park. Raphinha has highest XA and second highest XG among all his teammates. We believe it is his chance to score big in this game week. Grealish is improving in every game he plays for City. He had a tremendous midweek UCL night as he scored 1 and assisted 1 against Leipzig, and he did the same in the EPL so far. His opponent Southampton conceded 5 goals in their last 2 away matches, where City scored 16 goals at Etihad in their last 3 matches. So it looks likely to be another goal fest for City. Grealish has an XG of 1.01 and XA of 1.48, which indicate if City scores, there is minimum bare chance of Grealish blanking. Mohamed Salah is doing what he does the best in this season also. He already contributed in 5 goals with 3 goals scored and bagged 38 points in 4 opening games, a dazzling start indeed. His XG is 2.79 and XA is 1.46, which made him a complete package to consider. He will face the Eagles in Anfield in the next game, and against them he has quite a record: 6 goals and 5 assists in their last 6 games, which is undefinable. Beyond everything, just close your eyes and put him into your FPL squad without any doubt. Two promoted teams derby is always interesting. In the last season, Watford won all the 2 games by small margin of 1-0. In their home games, Sarr put his name on the score sheet. This year in Premier League, he got just 1 goal, but he created in an average 2 goals attempts in his first 4 matches and made the opponent defenders dance with his beautiful footwork and skill. Norwich conceded the most number of goals in this season, and they conceded a shot on target at every 16.4 minutes. Hopefully, Sarr is gonna pass his 3-match goal drought in this match, and we will see his celebration from him after scoring. Arsenal registered their first win of the season last week against Norwich. Nicolas Pepe provided the assist for Aubameyang's winning goal. In the lead up to the goal, Pepe hit the woodwork twice. He leads the charts among the Arsenal players for number of shots, big chances creation, shots on target, expected goal involvement, and shots inside the box. Arsenal's opponents, Burnley, seem to have a weakness down the left side of defense. 7 out of the 8 goals the Clares have conceded have been from the left side of the defense. It goes without saying that Nicolas Pepe will play down at the right side of Arsenal, meaning he is the next in line to torment the left side of Sean Dyche's man's backline. Leeds United had quite a tough fixture, and now ahead they are having a very good fixture run. Their combination in the attack didn't consolidate yet, but we witnessed how dangerous they could be with this Englishman in their front. They scored 7 goals against Newcastle last season in 2 games, and Bamford also scored once. In this season, Newcastle conceded a shot on target in every 15 minutes, and this match can be the ideal for him as well as his team to get the first win for them. Vintage Cristiano Ronaldo is back to Old Trafford with an electric performance. He is back at home with a brace against Newcastle. His hunger for goals and agility clearly shows he is here for the Red Devils to put on a show. Now all he has to do is wait for the opponent for the next match, where he will face West Ham. Ronaldo got 6 goal attempts and 5 is inside the box, and his XG is 1.42. Hammers conceded 5 in their last 4 games and only kept clean sheet against Southampton. Their XG conceded till now is 4.67, which deceives their defense in this season. On the other hand, the inclusion of Ronaldo definitely boosts the performance of every single player in the Red Devils squad, and everyone will be eager to make the contribution for the goal of their favorite CR7 in the final half. Aubameyang scored the winner against Norwich and he looked sharp. His 3 shots were on target out of 7 shots he took in the first 3 games. He has an XG of 1.30. His opponent Burnley's keeper Nick Pope had to make 14 saves, which is the second highest in the league, and they also conceded 8 goals. As Burnley isn't showing that much of solidity in defense like previous season, and an in for Aubameyang can certainly score and reward his managers. That was all from us for the upcoming week's Dream Team selection. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL Edits on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.